Hello, namaste, annyeonghaseyo, hola, привет. Today we have a super fun and creative project in store for you, designing your own mobile cover with a beautiful daisy flowers and with your name logo. We will be using a white sheet which you can find in clothing packages, or you can use a canvas paper. Now take the cover and trace its outline onto the sheet. Then simply cut along the traced lines using scissors. After cutting the sheet, carefully place the sheet inside the cover to check if it fits properly. If adjustments are needed, you can trim the edges until it securely fits inside the phone cover. Moving on to the camera area, mark it and carefully cut it out with a paper knife. I didn't use a cutting mat this time because, well, it was tucked away and I was feeling lazy. But holding the paper between my fingers while cutting isn't safe. Always use a cutting mat to prevent accidents. Next, cover the entire canvas with black paint using a flat brush. Apply 2 or 3 coats to ensure thorough coverage and to obscure any remaining background. Since we started with a white sheet, multiple layers may be required to achieve the desired depth of color. Once the paint has dried, use a pencil to sketch the outline of the flower. Proceed to paint the flowers with white paint. Then incorporate your personalized logo by painting the first letter of your name, positioning it as shown in the video. For the rest of the tutorial, check out the full video and turn on the captions for detailed instruction. See you in the next video.